There's no rescue coming. Not from the government, not from your boss, not from any traditional education system. Financial freedom isn't handed to you, it's built. And the line that separates dreamers from doers is called the first $10,000. That number isn't symbolic. It's a turning point. It's the moment you stop surviving and start building. It was just another ordinary day. A crowded bus, notebooks on his lap, earbuds in, trying to escape the noise of routine. But right there, between the muffled sound of the city and the wave of exhaustion from class, the realization hit. If I don't change something now, this will be my next 40 years. That thought pierced his chest like lightning. He was just another student juggling exams, rent, and the pressure to look strong. But in that moment, something inside broke and rebuilt itself at the same time. He made a decision to find a real way out, a path that didn't rely on luck, connections, or yet another diploma on the wall. And in the silence of midnight, with the screen glowing and his heart pounding, he began to build. First came the mistakes, then came the small wins. And when he finally had his first $10,000 in his pocket, he understood he didn't need to be the smartest, just the most determined. And now it's your turn. If you're tired of waiting for the perfect opportunity, this video is for you. You don't need money to start. You don't need a degree. You don't need anyone's permission. All you need is strategic action, laser-sharp focus, and a real desire to flip the switch. I'm going to show you the 4 fastest, most practical, and proven ways to put your first $10,000 in your pocket. But before we dive in, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because here, every video is a real step toward your financial freedom. No theory, just what works. The first path is the most direct, in-person service work with immediate value delivery. This model is perfect for anyone starting from absolute zero, with no start capital or advanced resources. You use what you already have, your physical effort, your time, and access to your city. The logic is simple. Identify a visible problem and offer a clear solution. Opportunities are everywhere. From cleaning spaces, maintenance, moving small items, to organizing environments. The secret is targeting urgent pain points with bold, clear messaging. No generic pitches. You need to be unforgettable in your very first words. This model demands intense action, but it delivers instant results. Even better, while you're generating fast income, you're developing high-value skills. Sales, negotiation, resilience, and market perception. It's a real-world business school with real-time returns. Perfect for anyone who needs to break inertia right now. The second path is selling local physical products with high profit margins. This strategy works especially well for those with manual skills, access to cheap materials, or a sharp aesthetic sense. The key is positioning. Simple products become premium when they deliver experience, scarcity, and identity. The difference between an average item and a premium one is all about perceived value. You need to package what you sell with storytelling, design, and emotional language. With the right channels, local markets, social media, strategic partnerships, it's possible to build sales volume and reinvest profits into growing the operation. This path teaches powerful fundamentals of branding, pricing, and direct marketing. Most importantly, it shows you how to turn something physical and tangible into a business with a unique identity and high margins. Master this model, and you'll be ready to scale any product, physical or digital. The third path is creating digital products with global reach and automated delivery. This is where the game completely changes. You're no longer limited by geography or time. You create once and sell infinitely. Products like ebooks, online courses, templates, spreadsheets, audio lessons. All of these can be monetized if they solve a specific problem with clarity and value. This strategy relies on 3 pillars: a strong promise, attractive visuals, and smart distribution. Tools like Canva, Gumroad, Notion, and TikTok ads make this model accessible and scalable. The profit margins are sky high, often above 90%. And delivery can be fully automated with tools like Zapier and email marketing. This model teaches you about sales funnels, copywriting, and paid traffic, Skills that apply to any future business. And best of all, while your product sells, you build authority, attract an audience, and scale without limits. The fourth path is offering high-value digital services with skills you can learn in just a few weeks. The advantage? Global demand, value-based pricing, and total geographic freedom. Fields like copywriting, graphic design, video editing, paid ads, strategic consulting, and automation are growing fast. And getting in is simpler than it looks. With free content, consistent practice, and a results-first mindset, you can position yourself quickly. The secret is promising and delivering real results. Instead of selling video editing, you sell higher engagement on social media. Instead of copy, you sell more clicks and conversions. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, LinkedIn, and Instagram are direct channels to attract clients. With a well-presented portfolio, before and after case studies, and a clear positioning, you can stand out, even as a beginner. This model is perfect for building authority and a solid digital reputation. Now, here's the point that separates content consumers from real-life changers. None of these four models will work if you don't apply the execution triad: positioning, irresistible offer, and scaling. First, define exactly who you help and what problem you solve. Second, craft an offer no one can ignore. Use urgency, scarcity, social proof, and risk reversal. Third, when something works, scale it. More channels, more content, more audience, more automation. Use tools like Trello for task management, Google Calendar for deadlines, and Zapier for workflows. When you combine consistent execution with a smart funnel, the first $10,000 stops being a dream and becomes predictable result. It's not about talent. It's not about luck. It's about choice, focus, and repeated action. So now the question is, which of these paths will you master first? If you're truly committed to breaking out of stagnation and earning your first $10,000 strategically, there's no more time to wait. Every day you stay still is another day funding someone else's success. Now it's your turn. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and dive headfirst into this channel. Because here, every video is a practical step toward your financial freedom. And if you want to accelerate this journey, drop a comment with the word START, and I'll unlock a special sequence of bonus content just for those 100% in the game. Don't wait. Take control. Start now.